let's go over different ways for belly massage, really thinking flow to get the gas and bowel movements out. So not thinking just massage, but movement in general. So a couple things to think about is there's a lot of people who do the I love you and they go really gentle across. And not that you don't want to be gentle, but there's not a lot of action to be happening if you don't have a little bit of pressure into their belly. So the area that's going to have the biggest impact is going to be on their left side in this bottom region here, because this is where the bowels are going to be exiting. So the whole large intestine goes like this, but it's really this region here you want to focus on to get the gas out and the bowel movements out. So you can press with your fingers or with your thumb, and you can go a lot deeper than most people think. So it's a lot easier to get the abdomen to relax if you lift up the legs. So what we like to do is lift up the legs, put our thumb in this area, and we can do circles with the legs as we're pressing. We can do circles of the thumb, and I just felt some gas actually pass underneath my finger there. Yeah, and you're gonna feel some grunting from your baby, and that's totally okay. And I move my thumb position down a little bit lower. I can wiggle those legs from side to side. I can go up a little bit higher. So this is just one option. So lifting up those legs to allow that belly to relax is one. You can also come along the side of baby and do big circles. And then side to sides, we're just working this gas through. So you don't want to think just solely pressing and massaging, but also getting movement in the body that's going to allow that gas to wiggle. So I'm going from side to side, rocking. I'm going to come more to the pelvis here now and do pelvic figure eights, some side to side. And again, getting just movement in general into the belly and pelvic region just to get that gas and bowel movements to start flowing. I'll come back to lifting up those legs, pressing in. If you find your baby is not able to relax in this position, you can put them on their belly. So now I'm going to flip him over and put him on his belly. And think that same side. So I want to be on that left lower region. So I'm going to be on his left side where I was before. My fingers are going to come up under, and I'm just going like this with my fingers, doing a movement back and forth in that region, just getting flow and movement of that intestinal region. Good job, buddy.